The Puzzle of Patience. In the flower patch, Lila the Lamb waited for a butterfly to land on her nose. She stayed very still even when it tickled, and smiled when it finally fluttered close. Under a mushroom umbrella, Benji the badger watched raindrops plink into a puddle, waiting for the perfect moment to jump. When he finally did splash, it was the biggest puddle pop of the day. By the berry bush, Milo the Mouse waited his turn in line. His tail twitched with excitement, but he hummed a happy tune until it was time to pick his favorite berry. At the painting table, Cleo the cat stared at her drawing picture. She wanted to touch it, but instead she danced in a circle until it sparkled in the sun. Near the treehouse, Hugo the Hedgehog sat quietly while his friend napped. He wanted to play, but he waited, softly patting the grass beside him. Each moment of waiting grew into something sweet. Because patience is like a puzzle, every piece helps you grow. The lesson is waiting teaches us something important.